Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to execute PHP custom code for logout user only in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So our custom code will execute for logout user only, not for login user. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So by using custom code, we are going to display some text on cart page for logout user only. Now go to add plugin. In search plugin, write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode we are using. Then on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open. And then you can add title A. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And in custom code we are using if condition, and then you see negation is user login. So we are going to display this custom code for logout user only. So we are using if condition, and then you see negation symbol not is user login. So you can add this if condition line of code in your custom code, and you will find this line of code in video description or in comment section. So within this code, in this section, that code will run for logout user only. Now back to code. And scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So by using custom code we are going to display some text on cart page for logout user. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and we already log in. Refresh the page. So our custom code not execute for login user. So now we are log out and refresh the page in cart page, and then you see our custom code execute for logout user only. Now you see custom message on cart page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.